stand. Hi, Stormy.
The lighting in here, I look so pretty with the light. Hey guys!
Hello, Mom!
Kami na naman magkasama. Dahil pupunta na si Eliza?
Yeah.
Anong oras? Malilate siya?
8, mga 8.
Okay pa naman. Pupunta kami ng Mundos, guys. Kakain kami. Date.
Ako mag-vlog sa'yo. Hawakan ko.
You can see the people there eating. I thought... Guys, binibidyohan niya ako na practice siya para sa upcoming event namin. There. You can see here the milk chocolate.
You have your mic.
No, it's okay. It will hear. It will hear. What?
Yeah.
I have my mic.
Can you please walk?
So,
I can also be inside.
welcome back. Welcome back sa Panda.
Panda, it's Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oh!
Ayan na sila.
Hello!
Goedenavond.
Happy Valentine's.
Goeiedag.
Waar is die? Waar is Indicing Kid? Nagre-reels. Nagre-reels pa.
They are late.
Zij komen 8 uur.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
I think we can already.
We start with the first.
Hallo!
Day, ikaw na, Day.
Not planning.
Naka-record na ba, Day?
Hey, was je weer?
Ja, oké. Ja, dat
Hallo
moet
allemaal.
echt niet, ja.
Hij was weer hier?
Nee, de eerste keer hier.
Echt?
Nee, en
All
als
the
je camping
guys
op
over
Colbert, dan
here.
is
This
het
is
makkelijker
Stefan.
hier dan...
This is Roger.
Maar dat ik aan hem zo heb, en je iets niet ook helemaal betalen.
Ja.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi vlog!
Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day.
A day in my life as a bodyguard here in Netherlands.
Ja, microfoon.
This is a microphone.
Ja, ik zie het.
What can you say about this day?
It's a wonderful day.
Did you decide we're going?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe later.
That's the finish of the day, not the start. That's the dessert.
Yeah.
So don't eat too much
I still have
dessert.
energy now.
As couples na lang.
Matabi-tabi na lang ng
Pasit down.
Hier, als wij gaan gebruiken meerdere telefoon, sowieso wij gebruiken één QR-code.
Oh, oké, dus we kunnen gewoon met meerdere telefoons.
Dat weet ik niet of dat gaat, maar dat vragen. Dat is wel makkelijker. Maar voor 8 man is het moeilijker, dat hield je op één
Ja, dan
telefoon.
moet je bij ons op telefoon winnen weer. Do you want to drink something? Cola?
No, not yet. Because I'm gonna get
Yeah, but you just leave it or you want something else or nothing?
cola.
Yeah, are you sure or not?
Yeah.
Allebei?
Gewoon 2 cola's dit?
Normaal of zero?
Zero. Zero for me.
Ik normaal, ik zero.
Ja, ik ook. Cola zero.
Voor mij normale cola.
Me too, because I'm on diet.
It's night now.
Yeah, I'm gonna support Vicky.
But now it's hot in the cold. Oh, mijn stoofpotje! It's not something for us.
Even chips fry maken.
Why are you laughing?
Chicken fry mak. Later na kumain picture.
Which other thing did you have?
I have the Thai beef. Zijn lekker. Later. Thai dragon roll.
I already have a very good.
What is that?
Salt en pepper gamba.
Okay.
You like that as well, shrimp?
Dat is echt lekker. Jij eet dat niet, hè?
Lekker, jawel.
Ja?
Dat wel.
Zo lekker.
Hier is alles lekker.
We hebben Nederlands bezig dan. Nederlandse les.
Ja,
Ja?
grammatica,
Ja, ja.
over grammatica en een beetje moeilijk.
Hebben jullie zalm? Hebben jullie zalm?
Wat is dat?
Ik heb die
Gewoon de hele avond door alleen maar kleine vruchtjes.
Die is lekker, hè?
Ja.
Ik heb nodig. Can I taste?
Water. Hi, Dai! Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko, Dai. Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi. Kain tayo.
Narubi sa akin dati, ano lang, munggo. Kaya kulangot na.
Paliit lang, paliit.
Grabe na yan.
Oo.
Ook een sigaren. Zo.
We are done. So,
Meer naar binnen.
ang dami na naming nakain,
Ano
guys.
tayo manlilibre sa atin?
Ay, go, Dai! Push mo yan! Ano ba yung dapat? Ito ba?
Don't touch mama's camera. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. We are going to buy our groceries. Get the controller again. Gonna buy some milk again and some vegetables, sort of vegetables. So, we're not gonna buy a lot kasi yung ano lang, budget friendly, because just until the salary, para they don't have to go in Germany many times, because when it comes to milk and to gas up, we have to go in Germany just for gassing up. Dahil mas mura kasi doon mag-gas. Yung milk doon, may Bear Brand doon.
That's Papa's controller.
I didn't know that one. It's not gonna trigger the airbag, right?
Hopefully not.
Imagine it will trigger the airbag. Did you get your sunglasses?
No. Won't you need to will stay?
Hey guys, andito na naman kami sa parents ni Devon kasi i-drop namin muna si Sanji. Tawagan niya muna yung papa niya to fix the seat belt. Nasira kasi yung seat belt, and also matanda na kasi itong car namin, guys. And hindi pa namin let go kasi wala kaming pambili. But ayan, pinaayos lang naman. You're doing good, Brownie. And, sasama pala yung mother-in-law ko. And, dito siya sa harap sasakay. Busog na busog ako kagabi, guys. Grabe. Ang dami kong kinain na steak at ice cream. Nakatatlong steak ako. Tapos, dalawang rolls. Dragon rolls. Ayun. What do you have to fix, love? Hi! What have to fix?
Looking for kinderslot.
What is that?
The lock, so the baby cannot open from the inside.
Ah. Oh yeah.
I don't think this car has it.
Ja, hier. Wacht eens. Nee, dat zit er niet.
again with Roger last night. What interviewing him. You're always joking. It's so funny.
Because he always like smile. Yeah. His smile is so funny.
Yeah, it is.
But it didn't record because the mic didn't connect.
Oh, really?
So I don't know if they can hear it, but of course I have to beep it because it's not allowed in YouTube.
Yeah.
It's very cold, guys. It was snowing before, but now no more na. It's just pure cold. And we are going to pick up the Filipino bread.
Are we?
No. She didn't chat yet. So maybe I'm gonna ask Vicky and Stefan to just
It's near them.
yeah, because it's near them. Nag-order kasi ako ng ano guys, ng
Baby sleeping again?
pandikoko. Oh, swan! They're so magical.
Yeah. They taste good.
Nag-order ako ng pandikoko guys. Kasi last period ko, I was really craving pandikoko. And if you know, when I have period, I really puke when I don't get what I want. And then I'm craving the cucumber, but I ate the cucumber yesterday in Mundos. The cucumber was really good in Mundos.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sleepy anymore.
I always like this one, but I always get a pop-up of this one. They're always hiring in there.
Which one is it?
Ransa. It's like a logistic as well, I guess. But I still have work, sorry. Maybe soon, then I can just bike. Kasi malapit lang naman to sa amin eh. But when it's like cold, no, I'm not gonna bike. Bahala ka. Oh, here's the Intersnack. The one I'm applying as well.
Yep.
Kasi nung unang ano ko guys, I just need some experience. Nag-apply ako ng Mediworker, yung factory worker. But when it's like a Dutch, what do you call that one, babe? Like that in Intersnack, it's a very Dutch snack. So you have to speak Dutch. And then so doon sa bakery, ilang araw lang naman ako nag-work doon. Just for experience yung ano ko. Kasi wala pa talaga akong work experience ever since. Even in the Philippines, I don't have a work experience.
Hello guys. Ano yung cold weather?
Now we can vlog in there. So you can see the POV.
Yeah. Just went over it with the wheels.
Ayan! Hindi na talaga magkasawaan ng mga fest. Where's that? Tata.
Si Tata.
Tata.
Kagabi lang
Ayaw
nakita
niya sa akin eh. Kagabi ba nagkita?